Your friends have more friends than you. Ever get that feeling that people you know always seem to be slightly more connected than you are? No? Well, lucky you. For the rest of us, the reason we feel this way is just simply maths. More specifically, it's something called the friendship paradox. This was first described by Feld in 1991 on his paper, Why Your Friends Have More Friends Than You Do. So a simple explanation for this paradox is that you're more likely to be friends with someone that has a lot of friends than someone that has few friends. Picture this, we pick a random person who has only one friend. What are the chances that you are this random person's only friend? Pretty low. But what if I pick someone like Tom Anderson? We were all friends with him at one point. Put simply, the friendship paradox is less paradoxical and more an example of sampling bias. To find out the average number of friends a person has, it's pretty easy. Just count the number of friends every person has and divide by the number of people you ask. But to find the average number of friends a person's friends have, it's a bit more complex. Here we start getting people to list their friends, and we see that there will be multiple repeats, as a person with lots of friends will appear in multiple different people's lists. Consider this example. We have person A, and they have 8 friends, who are only friends with A and no one else. If we look at the average number of friends in this scenario, the number is 8 for person A's friends, and then 1 times 8 for the other 8 people. Divide this by 9, and we get a number which is just below 2. However, now look at the average number of friends a person's friends have, and we see that person A only has friends who have 1 friend, but the other people have a single friend who has multiple friends. So this becomes 1 for the average number of friends person A's friends have, plus 8 times 8, since all of the other people have a friend with 8 friends. Dividing this by 9, we get a number that is considerably larger than 2. You can get more technical and explore the paradox with network theory, which is a branch of mathematics where we study the relations between discrete objects. In this case, we are representing friendships as edges, which are connections between vertices, which in this example are people. The average number of friends a person has can be represented as the total number of edges times 2, since friendships are bidirectional, divided by the total number of vertices. This gives us the result 2e divided by v, and we'll call this number m. Now for the number of edges a random connected vertex has, effectively amounts to uniformly choosing between all the edges in a graph. Using this, we can work out the expected number of friends a randomly chosen friend has, which after some laboured calculations comes out to be m plus s over m. Here, s is the variance of the number of friends each person has. So on average, the number of friends you have is always lower than the average number of friends your friends have. But what's the point of this result besides serving as a somber reflection of one's reality? Well, it's actually very useful in understanding the spread of diseases. Finding a random set of people and asking them to provide the details of a friend serves as a better way of predicting outbreaks, since you are more likely to find people with a larger degree of connectivity. This is something that is now being exploited in marketing, fashion, and maybe even politics, since ideas spread like a disease, hence the term viral. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other content, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.